Hi guys, Bethany here. I have another unboxing for you from Bella Art de Nicole. In this order, there should be 2 multi-placers, a large diamond painting drill tray, and a Bella Art Drills and Chills mini mystery box. All right, first things first, let's look at the multi-placers. I love their multi-placers. This first one is a 3-placer. It is a straight and skinny in the color Princess Peach. The second one is also a straight and skinny. It is a 6-placer, and this is in the color Lemon Drop. Even has a number 6 on it. This one probably has a number 3 on it. It does. I don't know why that's not wanting to focus, but there you have it. Let's take a look at this large tray. It is in the color Metallic Tin Silver Sparkle. Oh look, we have their card. For those of you who haven't seen it yet or watched any of my other videos, it has a QR code on the back. Ooh, I love it. Look at this pretty butterfly sticker. Oh, awesome. Here is the tray. It is semi-transparent, and it is a medium gray, and it has a slight glittery sparkle to it. It's not really showing up on the camera, but oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, but there it is. Love it. The Bella Art de Nicole trays have a slide-on lid which hooks in by grooves in there, and it keeps it from just falling off. Stays securely on there. I mean, I suppose if you shook it enough it might fall off. This particular one is staying on there pretty good. They also have a pour spout to pour the drills out, and you can put the lid partially on to help with that so they don't spill everywhere. If you're a beginner at diamond painting, it is a very handy thing to have. So you pour the drills in, shake up the tray. That'll naturally, these grooves in here will naturally kind of line up the diamonds, and I like to tap it on one side to get them to go right to the edge of one of these lines, and then I like to tap it this way so they go all the way up here, and it lines them up really well. Awesome. Let's see what I got in my mystery. Oop. Okay, make sure there's nothing else in there. Good. How cute is that? Look at those leaves. I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. First of all, I want to look at my tray that came with this. Oh, it comes with stickers. Okay, let's see. Bella Art's Drills and Chills mini mystery box. 2 exclusive small trays or 1 exclusive large tray. I do like the large trays better, so that's what I picked. 2 cover minders, 1 multi-placer. Surprise mystery colored tray exclusive to these boxes. Mystery colors for the tools to fit the theme of the event. And I am going to be participating in this event, so I'm really excited. It looks like it comes with some stickers. I'm coming for you. Spooky. Halloween. Spooky, but on the cuter side of things. Whoa. This is cool. Okay, guys, so I did watch on their most recent live. They talked about this tray, and if you see, it looks kind of black. There's also a little bit of that special glitter in here, but let's have a look at this. Look at that. It's actually like a purplish red color. So when a light shines through it, look how cool that is. That is a super awesome color. I love it. See what I mean by these are kind of semi-transparent as well. You can see my light through there pretty well. Almost too well. Okay. I am done blinding you, I promise. Whoa. So this is really cool. This is such a cool color. I love it. They do still have a few of the boxes. They have 3 different sizes. So with different contents, all of them have this exclusive color of tray. So if you really like this, I recommend getting over there and checking that out. All right. So I know that they randomly put the cover minders in each box. So first of all, my multi-placer is a 3-placer. It looks like a regular size. Where are mine? Where did I put them? They're here somewhere. I wanted to show you, because this is also a 3-placer. I want to show you the difference between the regular and the skinny. So basically they're the same, but the regular holds more wax. I like the skinny ones better because when you're placing it, you can see the diamonds better and make your placement more precise. Also, this works better for ABs because it doesn't have as much wax that's sticking to the surface of the diamond. Sometimes with the special AB diamonds, the wax will stick to it, to the diamond, the way that the coating is, and it pulls the wax out of your pin. So the less wax you have on when you're placing those kind of diamonds, the better. And so that's another reason I like the skinnier ones, because you're less likely to have your wax come out of your pin. But this is a really pretty one. I think this is green apple, but look at it, it's kind of clear. That is pretty. I love it. I like it a lot. And these are the cover minders. I have a red leaf. Red is one of my favorite colors, so love it. And cover minders, if you don't know, they're to hold the cover on the sheet that comes on the surface of your diamond painting to hold it back while you're working on the part underneath. And these ones have a built-in magnet there and another attachable magnet. One goes on top of the piece that you're holding down, like this, and then this goes underneath and it will hold your piece back. So for example, say this wooden surface is my diamond painting and this is the cover over it. I flip the cover over and I stick that like that, and I stick this actually under the diamond painting, but as you can see, that holds the thing back so it doesn't flop over your work while you're working. So, whoops, magnets. Okay, so, whoa, I put the wrong side of that. Okay, so I have a red leaf cover minder and a Bella Art de Nicole glow in the dark cover minder. I'm pretty sure that this one glows in the dark. It looks like glow in the dark material, and I know they've been doing glow in the dark things, so I'm pretty sure that's glow in the dark. Pretty. So that is my most recent Bella Art de Nicole order and my Drills and Chills mini box. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you next time. Bye.